Welcome to TechQwiks. Coming right up, we'll answer your questions that have been submitted. User Thumper from Reddit asks, my powerful gaming PC suddenly sucks for using the internet, but plays intense graphic games just fine. What could the problem be? Well, Thumper, it could be a number of things. The first few things that I would look at that is probably most likely to be the issue is run some speed tests. Be sure your internet isn't running slowly. Make sure there's no issues there. And if it is, you know where to start looking. You can try resetting the browser that's running really slow, whether it be Chrome or Firefox. I would recommend one of those over Internet Explorer. You can try a different browser if you're having the problem with Firefox. Try it in Chrome, see if Chrome runs fine. If so, then you know where to look. And lastly, I just check for malware. You can run Malwarebytes or any other malware cleaning tools to see if you've got some kind of extension in your browsers that's slowing it down. Also, don't forget to check the ad remove programs. See if there's something that was recently added that may have added a hook into your browser causing the issue. User NR Lambert from Reddit asks, I want to wipe my computer to sell it. Do drivers need to be reinstalled after disk wipe? Well, the answer is maybe. Wiping your PC will remove all the drivers unless you're using the factory reset and restore feature. A lot of times that can be accessed by pressing F8 repeatedly as your computer boots up, and then you choose repair your computer, and one of the options there would be a factory reset if you've got a mainstream computer like Dell or HP, Acer, something like that. If you're not using a mainstream computer with a factory reset option, there is a program called Driver Backup, and I'll link that down in the description below. You can use this program to back up all the drivers currently on your computer and then restore them after you wipe it. Also, keep in mind, Windows is pretty good at having most of the drivers already built in, so you shouldn't have to restore all of your drivers. There will be some you will need to, though. User Lulzer99 from Reddit asks, I just got a new GTX 1060 and it worked fine for the first day. The second day, the screen started to flicker when scrolling on web pages. Uninstalled the drivers and reinstalled them, and that temporarily fixed it, but it came back. The flicker is a very short appearance of screen tearing. What should I do? Well, the first thing to check are your cables. Make sure all your cables are securely connected on both ends. There could be a problem with the cable if it's DVI or VGA. I doubt it's VGA, but it's a possibility. If you're using HDMI, just make sure that you've got a good solid connection on both ends. Maybe try a different cable, regardless of the type of connection you have. Just rule out the cable. That's the most common reason for flickering and screen tearing, described as this. If that doesn't fix it, you have the latest driver already. See if maybe there's a beta driver available. Maybe there's an issue with your driver. If there's no beta driver available, see if you can roll back to an older driver. If none of those suggestions work, just send the card back for a replacement. Likely something wrong with your card. User The Weebles from Reddit asks, I want to factory reset my computer but maintain selected files and maybe selected programs. What is the best way to do this with Windows 8 or 8.1? Well, factory resetting deletes all programs and files that have been installed or added since purchase. You're not going to be able to selectively choose what applications or files you want to keep. So in order to keep your applications or programs after you do a factory reset, you'll need to back up your files to an external hard drive or flash drive. And you will need to reinstall most, if not all, of your programs. In Windows, you can't really just move programs from one drive to the other. A lot of times you'll have to go through and reinstall them. User Surmayam from Reddit asks, how do I know what is my proxy port number? You'd get your proxy port number from whoever is providing your proxy. There's really no way for anybody to tell you that port number other than the provider. User Allers TV from Reddit asks, can I transfer Chrome settings to a new computer? Yes, you have to log in with your Google account with Chrome, and you'll transfer your settings, bookmarks, extensions, everything. It will move from one computer to the other, and they'll all stay synchronized. Thank you for watching this TechQwiks video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, please like this video and subscribe in order to be sure to not miss the next TechQwiks video. TechQwiks, technology simplified.